So, nasa second objective na tayo, compute the percent composition of compound from its chemical formula. So, kung kanina, ang sinolve natin is with experimental mass measurement sa problem. So, yung ibig sabihin, may given grams sa problem. So, what if kapag walang grams or mass sa problem, how will you compute the percentage composition of a compound? So, ang kailangan natin is yung chemical formula. So, with a given problem, percent composition is also useful for evaluating the relative abundance of given element in different compounds of known formulas. Meron tayo ditong tatlong chemical formula. Ammonia with a chemical formula NH3. We have ammonium nitrate with a chemical formula NH4NO3. We have urea with a chemical formula of CH4N2O. So, ang susolve lang natin is ammonia with chemical formula of NH3. So, how to solve for the percentage composition? First, count the number of molecules of each element and multiply it with its given atomic masses. So, ang nitrogen natin, as you can see, we have only one molecule. It's understood that 1 because 1 is not written anymore. We will multiply it with the atomic mass 14.0067. So, 1 times 14.0067 na makikita natin sa periodic table, we will get total of molar mass 14.0067 amo. Ayan, amo ang nakalagay dito. So, don't be confused na ang amo is also equivalent to gram per mole, or ang ibig sabihin is in 1 mole of nitrogen, there is equivalent of 14.0067 grams. So, same with the hydrogen. So, for hydrogen, as you can see in our chemical formula, it has 3 molecules. We will multiply it with the atomic mass that can be seen in the periodic table for about 1.0079 for amo. So, we have a total molar mass of hydrogen for about 3.02382 amo. So, how to get the formula mass? All we have to do is to get the summation of the molar masses of nitrogen and hydrogen. So, ang hydrogen natin, the molar mass is 14.0067 amo. We will add it with the 3.02382 amo. So, we will get total of 17.0305 amo. That is the total molar mass. And alam nyo na kung paano mag-compute niyan. So, how to get the percentage composition of nitrogen? So, we will bring down only the 14.0067 amo, which is the computed molar mass ng nitrogen natin, 1 times the atomic mass or atomic weight. Yan, ang total. Divided by with the molar mass ng compound, which is ammonia or NH3. Ang na-compute natin is 17.0305 amo. Amo ang ginamit natin kasi amo ang given sa problem. So, kapag gram per mole ang ginamit sa problem, gram per mole din ang gagamitin natin. Multiply it, divide both the given amo or masses. Multiply it with the 100%. So, makuha natin is 82.2448%. Same with the percentage of hydrogen. So, we get the total molar mass ng hydrogen. So, take note ng nitrogen dito. Just kindly change it into hydrogen kasi typographical error lang po to from the module that I get from the internet, which is the Pressbooks. So, replace it with hydrogen. It's divided by with the total molar mass ng ammonia, 17.0305 amo. Multiply it with 100%. So, we will get 17.7553%. Don't forget na kapag percentage composition, kailangan natin isulat lahat ng values na makikita natin sa periodic table. Even the yung point, lahat ng values doon. Kasi, kapag hindi natin kinuha yun, hindi perfect 100% na makukuha natin. So, kung gusto natin makuha yung perfect 100%, so we need to include the values after the decimal point. So, kapag ni-round off natin siya, it's malamang na hindi 100%, possible na 101, 102, 103. So, kung gusto natin ng sakto, kailangan sakto din yung ilalagay nating values from the periodic table.